Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, that is, the organisms which are of microscopic dimensions. These organisms are too small to be clearly perceived by the unaided human eye. Microorganisms are living organisms that are usually too small to be seen clearly with the naked eye. An organism with a diameter of 1 mm or less are microorganisms and fall into the broad domain of microbiology. At present, there is general agreement to include 5 major groups as microorganisms. The subdivisions are: microorganisms are relevant to all of us in a multitude of ways. The influence of microorganism in human life is both beneficial as well as detrimental also. For example, microorganisms are required for the production of bread, cheese, yogurt, alcohol, wine, beer, antibiotics, e.g., penicillin, streptomycin, chloromycetin, vaccines, vitamins, enzymes and many more important products. Microorganisms are indispensable components of our ecosystem. Microorganisms play an important role in the recycling of organic and inorganic material through their roles in the C, N and S cycles, thus playing an important part in the maintenance of the stability of the biosphere. They are also the source of nutrients at the base of all ectotropical food chains and webs. In many ways, all other forms of life depend on the microorganisms. The branch microbiology has two major aspects, the theoretical and the applied. Doctors and farmers are applied microbiologists. For example, the doctors has the primary interest to keep people healthy through the use of scientific knowledge, while the scientist, theoretical, work is to obtain new information in his related field and guide the farmers to increase crop yield. Harmful microorganisms. Disease and decay are neither inherent properties of organic objects, nor are caused by physical damage. It is microorganisms that bring about these changes. We are surrounded by bacteria, virus, and fungi. Many microorganisms cause diseases in cattle, crops, and others are known for entering human bodies and causing various diseases. Examples of familiar human diseases are bacteria, pneumonia, bacterial dysentery, diphtheria, bubonic plague, meningitis, typhoid, cholera, salmonella, meningococcal virus, chickenpox, measles, mumps, German measles, colds, warts, cold sores, influenza, protozoa, amoebic dysentery, malaria, fungi, ringworm, athlete's foot. Useful microorganisms. Earthworm. Fungi as decomposers. Bacteria and fungi play an important role in an ecosystem. They break down dead or waste organic matter and release inorganic molecules. Green plants take these nutrients, which are in turn consumed by animals, and the products of these plants and animals are again broken down by decomposers. Bacteria. Yeast is a single-celled fungus that lives naturally on the surface of the fruit. It is economically important in bread making and brewing beer, and also in the making of yogurt. Most microorganisms are unicellular. If they are multicellular, they lack highly differentiated tissues. There are fundamentally two different types of cells, one being prokaryotic and the other eukaryotic. Microbes, especially prokaryotes, are numerous in number in comparison to eukaryotes. The lineage of life on Earth originated from these microbes. 1. Bacteria. 2. Archaea. 3. Eukarya.